So welcome back to this channel IBMI classes. Today in this video session I'll be discussing about type conversion function percentile so in CL programming. So let's come and discuss. So here I created one program where I took one decimal variable and decimal of type DEC length 9,292, where 2 is a decimal position here, and I have provided the value 4645.47, and another variable is a character variable and message of length 50. Now using change variable command, I'm evaluating some message into the and message variable. So this is decimal value star bcat. So we are concatenating these two uh, values, one this one and then another from this variable. So it will put a space in between these two variables during concatenation. Now here I have written and decimal, so this is a decimal field. Now what happened in that case? Just compile. We will be getting the error not created, program does not create it. So if we see into the error, so there is a CVLT 30 error comes, and operand does not have validate type for operator, this one, and decimal. Now how can we resolve that? So using %char function, we would be converting the decimal to the character variable. So what I'm doing, %char and decimal. So first this decimal value will be converted to character, and then this will be concatenated to this value, and a space will be put it between them. File 14 F10, file this with debug view star source. CLPGM9i, just debug this program. Put the breakpoint at line number 1. Call this program. Press F10. Now message will have, this is decimal value 4645.47. So we can see that we have converted a decimal value to the character first, and then we have joined two character values or concatenated two character values using star bcat operation and change variable command. So this is the usage of %char function, which is a type conversion function. So we can convert one type, means data decimal type, to the character type in CL programming. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.